to toy with our mind. And the best person who knows how to do that is John Dramani Mahama.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
To toy with our mind. And the best person who knows how to do that is John Dramani Mahama. A very big time trickster. Yeah, trying to man pass in the budget. Ube Philippa. A very big time trickster because he was the one that orchestrated say, Nana do assistant the fear for the Oma Eden I appointment. Collins got Nasi. There be appointments for less than the mammy. Omo more Facebook nature. It's quite unfortunate those who are not on Facebook can see some of this evidence I bring. But one thing about me is I like to give you evidence so you know where I'm talking from. The same person that said Ekufuado is an Achem Sakawa government who has given all big positions to Achem Sakawa people, campaigned on that and got voted for that, comes in and is doing even worse than Ekufuado did. So why wouldn't you tell that you have short memory? Now me say me obi aka kire me say Ghana for the ya dwunisa enu nti edu election a ya ka no kure kakra na ya ka tro kakra. Hey, let's go. Omoka go to abama say ni panana. There be you. You know, I understand say people got angry, a bit frustrated with the economy and whatever, but it was not worth voting against NPP because say ukoka kire me say asamweja nasa utie enu nti yam bench no now uko first striker bi bana striker no sabio sabin prediasa obo penalty to throw her. It was a useless way that you made. And we have sat down, allowed the media to, and now starting so an appointment. Can you see the media even, trying to even talk about it? They can't. It is only the NDC media stations that are actually doing what? Talking about these appointees and what happens at the vetting. They can't talk about nothing. Because at the end of so every year campaign, at Tanishi Akufuado say Akufuado no. Mahama ba ye onya kuranya 1 month. It is already going on. Or probably there be onya 1 month meboa. February 7th no benya 1 month. And he's already doing that. And because they are some of them truly, their guilty conscience is telling them say adia yaye. Posterity is gonna judge us wrong. Adia yaye esunsun saswo bebentino. They can't even talk about it. Collins, let's go to the appointees. Let's go to the appointees. All right. So far, yeah, Papa Mahama, we're making 42 appointments. Meboa. All right. Aya Obia Oko Finance, your friend Dr. Kesel Atoforsen MP. What hurts me about Sir Atoforsen with Nandra Mekaye, and I'll repeat it today. It was under Atoforsen as the deputy finance minister that one kasa usika with the Akoto Bank na wokwa yentumi yima. We are Ghana, ni man can't chem say boy, it happened in Ghana. Utie. To the point say, so per foreign currency crowd there, you have to wait months, weeks. The same Atoforsen. Obia ya di Ghana, say ya di obi di MP. Andra ana endepo na metie Bernard Avle ne commentary bi ana o make. Say ya di obi besiwa say oye what we call a minister. It's not a joke. He is the representative of that sector for the country everywhere in the world. And therefore, that person must be trustworthy. That person must be consistent and must be committed and must be honest. How do you tell me somebody who issued and allowed the country to get a debt of 2.3 million euros all because of fake ambulances that he brought that didn't see the day of light? And this is why I come to my party MPP. When the NDC gets MPP, yomo fan chamo. Mutie. Say NDC fonya MPP. They don't play lightly with you people. No. me say sami jamfie do baabi no ho asabi o mo fancha me wona edidie sa akokọ konne e wa MPP mu kra ba press conference. Why do you think he was doing that? To conscientize the people say enkrofo we yo mo wo so no wo mo nya papa enti mo pamo mo na mo fa yemra NDC fo enya MPP a omutwe mu twan ne yate NDC fo so yemu a yemfa nche yen. It is only MPP na say onya NDC ni a ono anka say tumi ko boa o de bra o de we shall go and see president. Na mpa we go and see president. Na unhu de ebesi na case ye say sanka fo enya MPP a omutwe mu twan ne yate NDC fo so yemu a yemfa nche yen. It is only MPP na say onya NDC ni a ono anka say tumi ko boa o de bra o de we shall go and see president. Na mpa we go and see president. Na unhu de ebesi na case ye say sanka ye hweka na oman ni nya ni sika no na ahwere yen. Which makes me or brings me to the point my producer was saying earlier on. I say almost the politics now ye scratch my back, I scratch your back. Utie. Yes, political class one. That's what they are doing. Because omuni na ye na fofo. Utie. And it is not you if in krana woda bomo hona wo bre no. Akola na nkope astrotef dia ye training no. Akola na nkope sika kakra dia to an school so no. Ma me no pesika kakra dia hye ni dwamre. It is not about you. Because eba ne say no obi fa brodia me ensa ye jeli no. We ko wi obi brodia me boa. Minimum obi a we ko tu obi ba nche. Ama mo de Nigeria tribunal e de na atumu da. Obi wi akoko. So mo de unimo. Agbefo ne enkoko wi ade se nyen ne. Mo fa nche me. Collins. No, but you know, and then somebody gives you a debt of 3.2 million euros. Na ye de akofefa presidency. Edidi ho agura. No afa ne ho ediko. The question is MPP4, why do you like killing yourselves too much? I don't know. Senior, that thing I'm still yet because have you forgotten say do baby? One day be Sami Jamfi a press conference. He on warning all the security service say the day Mahama comes to power, it's your last day in office. And guess what? The same security people went and voted for Mahama because they said, oh, my name is Jimmy Semon Koa. Okakai and Tiasia. Utie. Abraham Mahama wohono. Your friend baby development allowance for government workers. Wa mamubi. 1 year na ejeno na 100 cedi. Ekufuadu is giving 15% to teacher. That's why I say me we a teacher ni na say wo to aba ma ndi senya me betua uka. I don't care. No, serious. Me say we a teacher ni wo ho. Na ukosa like to aba ma NDC a nyame betua uka. Because your mind can come na ope. Na wo san ye nya atwom. Because Mr. Bansa me ebeye me ya pa say me ye adwuma ma obi. Bible kura say men fa adwuma ye ni aketua anya den enni. Na Mr. Bansa ma je appointment letter. Ese me nkokira de obibi ani early. Me kokira de 3 years na do say entua me ka. Ye ka kira me say o kura appointment letter no kura na ye na de ma huntina say o san ko reapply bio. Didn't it happen in Ghana? Ya fa ye teachers. Teacher ni ejina classroom ejina ne nan so we pagya ne nsa board wa na ne nsa agene. Na mboso me aso yamfa na ketua kekema no Mahama didn't pay you.